Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by collecting essentials, your Dell service tag, and the desired OS image. Insert a 16 GB or larger USB drive and make sure it's backed up first. Once ready, run the Dell OS Recovery Tool on a working Windows machine. Sign in if prompted and enter your service tag to retrieve the correct image. Proceed to select the USB as the target device. This step creates the bootable recovery media that mirrors the factory or supported OS image. Once you've chosen the model and language, confirm the download and let the tool write the image to the USB drive. Make sure you have a stable internet connection because large image files can take time. Expect between 15 and 45 minutes depending on speed. While it writes, do not remove the USB. When the tool shows completion or verifies the checksum, safely eject the drive. This ensures integrity, so your target system will boot into the recovery environment without corruption. Insert the recovery USB into the Dell, power on, and press F12 to open the boot menu. Choose the USB device or set USB first in BIOS if needed. Once the recovery environment loads, follow prompts to reinstall or repair the OS, select disk options carefully, and confirm any prompts to format if you want a clean install. After the process completes and Windows starts, run Dell Update and install chipset, storage, and network drivers to restore full functionality. This finalizes the recovery and prepares the system for use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.